Once again, we are showcasing you a 4.5 bedroom apartment in the heart of Mumbai city, that is BKC. Costing है 12.5 करोड़ onwards और possession है June 2025 according to the RERA guidelines. आइए मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ आज का ये फ्लैट. यहाँ जैसे ही हमने एंट्री की, एंट्री में सबसे पहले आता है आपका ये गेस्ट बेडरूम. गेस्ट बेडरूम के अंदर भी वॉशरूम अटैच है. वहां से चलते हैं हम लिविंग एरिया. दिस इज अ लेविश लिविंग एरिया फ्रेंड्स. You see the dining area over there. This is the living area, followed by the nice, lovable balcony. Today, the developers understand that yes, giving a balcony is a must, so that their sales are happening left, right, and center. From here, you come to the kitchen, nice parallel platform, followed by the utility area. Moving ahead, the builder has also provided a nice servants' room, followed by the washroom. Along the opposite side, you have bedroom. Let's move ahead. You have the common washroom here. Common washroom के सामने आप देख रहे हो bedroom है. ये भी आपका washroom attached है इस bedroom के अंदर. And now, last but not the least, this is the master bedroom जो ये flat की beauty है because you have a nice walk-in closet followed by the washroom. The RERA carpet is around 1945. Costing is 12.5 crore onwards. Possession is June 2025. This is Kalpesh Thakker from Jishnu Realtors. For more amenities and all details, please see the description box. Thank you.